Bienvenidos, welcome to the Mastering Spanish Pronunciation series. I am Andrés from Español para ti, and in this introductory video, we'll be discussing why mastering Spanish pronunciation is so important and what you can expect from the rest of the series. First, let's talk about why mastering Spanish pronunciation is so important. Spanish is a phonetic language, which means that you can just look at a written word and you'll know how to pronounce it. This is different from languages like English, where the spelling of words can be very different from their pronunciation. So if you want to be able to communicate effectively in Spanish, it is important to have a good grasp of Spanish pronunciation. If your pronunciation is not clear, it can be difficult for others to understand what you're saying. On the other hand, if your pronunciation is clear, you'll be able to communicate your ideas effectively and build stronger connections with Spanish-speaking people. In this series, we'll be focusing on the sounds of Spanish and how to pronounce them accurately. We'll start with the Spanish vowels in the next video, move on to the consonants, and we'll put everything together and practice some common Spanish phrases. We'll also add more content as you requested. For example, common Spanish pronunciation mistakes, finding the stressed syllable in a word, or anything you can think about. So please comment below and let us know. We suggest that you only move on to the next video once you've practiced and mastered the sounds of each previous video. Repetition is key when it comes to mastering Spanish pronunciation. And remember, doing so takes time and practice, but it's an essential part of communicating effectively in Spanish. We hope this series will be a helpful resource on your journey to improving your Spanish pronunciation. Vamos a empezar. Let's get started.